In this video, we're going to discuss how tax is calculated based on the tax rate and the assessed value, and also the units that are involved with the tax rate. So first, you can see there that the formula for the property tax is tax rate times the assessed value. Now the tax rate we've seen expressed as a percent. It can also be expressed in per $100, per $1,000, or in mils. So we've seen percentages before, so if you had $100 of property, a 3% property tax would indicate a tax payment of 0.03 times $100, which is $3. If you double that to $200 of property, it'd be 0.03 times $200, which is $6. Now if you notice, for every $100 of property you increase, you're owing a tax of $3. So that means that you're going to be taxed $3 for every $100 of property. So percentages are actually the same thing as per $100. So in this case, 3% is equivalent to $3 per 100. Now if we look at per 1,000, say you have a property tax of $25 per $1,000, that means you owe $25 in tax for every $1,000 of property owned. So to convert to a percentage, you take 25 over 1,000, which is 0.025, which is 2.5%. So now notice that the percent is the per $1,000 rate divided by 10, and then just with a percentage instead of a dollar. And then mils are going to be the same thing as per $1,000. So 25 mils is equivalent to $25 per $1,000. Alright, so percentages and per $100 are the same. Per $1,000 and mils are the same. And there's a difference of a multiple of 10 between them. So let's look at an example where we need to fill in the rest of the values of this table. So we're given that the top line is 8.7%, and the only thing on the bottom line that we're given is that it's $13.60 per $1,000. So now if we concentrate on the first line, 8.7%, same thing as per 100, so it's going to be $8.70 per $100. So now per 1,000, if it's $8.70 for every 100, it'd be twice that for 200, 3 times that for 300, all the way up to 1,000, it'd be 10 times that. So it's going to be $87. Right, and then mils are the same thing as 1,000, so it's going to be 87. If we go down to the bottom line, again, per 1,000 is the same thing as mils, so $13.60 per 1,000. It's going to be the same thing as 13.6 mils. So now if we go over to per 100, we have $13.60 per 1,000. It means every 100 is going to be a tenth of that amount. So 1360 divided by 10 will be $1.36. And then the percentage will be the same thing as per 100, so it will be 1.36%.